Hi, today we are going to see one of the demo of a automation or you can say a development cycle automation kind of a thing. In this, I just want to show you how we can optimize or we can speed up our whole development cycle. So as a developer, when I got a story, I read it out, I figure out if I have any questions, then I directly go ahead and either make changes in the org or make the changes in the by using cursor, by using any AI tool. So over here, there is a direct connection between the zero story and the cursor or whatever the AI tool that I'm going to pass the same similar kind of information to that by giving some more context to it, and then after that, it will write a code for me. Then I will review it. I will deploy the code, and make a PR and get it approved and deploy. So this is a whole procedure that we follow. But let's take an example. If we automate everything, we got a Jira story. We have everything over there, everything listed in a proper format. Then what we do, it directly move to the AI side. It directly goes without any human intervention, without any copy pasting or without any typing or everything like this. So it directly goes to AI or Claude Code, and then it asks the Claude Code to write the code and raise a PR for you. Then you will review a PR as a developer. I just need to review the PR. If I feel any changes, I can make on top of it, and then I will send it to my senior dev or the leads to get it approved and deployed. So let me give you a small demo of the same. I have recently implemented for one of my project. So let's take an example that if I want, let's take an example of creating a Apex class, very small or basic scenario. Let me just description that I want an Apex class to query all latest 10 cases, and this method going to be get called from LWC component. Make sure to create test class for same. Keep the name as case LWC. Okay, I'm giving it a very small format context that what exactly we need to do. We just need an Apex class which will having a method which will query the latest 10 cases, and we are going to call it from LWC component. We also need test class for it, and we are also giving the classes class name. If you're not giving the class name, it will automatically make name according to it, depending on the use case. Let's take an example and create this user story. Let me go to backlog and then this story to our current code. Okay, let's see. Here is the story. Now I have already added an automation here. So let me move it directly to in progress. After moving it to in progress, I can see one of the automation will automatically got fired, and it will call GitHub. It will tell GitHub that yeah, this is the whole story with the subject information and description information. Then it will tell that same to the Claude Code, and Claude Code will do all the code related stuff for us, creating a new branch for us with name as cap 18, whatever the story number is, with the name as well. Then it will raise a PR for us, and that's it. So let's see anything whatever happening in action side. It, so I'm at my GitHub, and here is my code for the main branch. Let me move to actions. Let's see what exactly is doing in action side. So basically it's running some of the things. Then it's setting up the environment as per my YAML file or as per my configuration. If we see, it has created a environment first by basically installing Anthropic Claude Code and Salesforce CLI. Then it has created a new branch with name as dev scap 18, whatever the story number that we have. then automatically it will give all the instructions to Claude Code, and Claude Code is writing the code for us. Then it will going to merge that same code to the current branch, like this cap 18. Then after that, it is going to raise a PR for us. Let's see if it has already raised a PR for us. So our story is cap 18. Here I can see is cap 18, which is recently created. Let's see. Automatically it have made the method as aura enabled. Whatever that I need, it has added. It has added some of the fields because I haven't given any of the field information. So if I need to add anything over here, I can just directly clone this repository and go to that same branch and make the two changes. It will automatically update the PR here. It has also created my controller test class, and this is what I need. And if I see the name as well, its new first name is like the name is coming as the Jira story number and subject as well. So we can directly go and let's take an example. The code is correct. We have reviewed it. We are merging it. We can confirm the merge. After merging to main, we can we can create one more action which will automatically push our code to the next environment and do some stuff for us. So this is a use case. This will basically helps us in automating everything. We just need to make changes on top of whatever have Claude or whatever the AI tool have written. So this will definitely saves us a lot of time. And also for small use cases for Salesforce, let's take an example, if you want to give a small permission access to a permission set, then we don't need to go and go to the permission set, get the metadata of everything, and then we need to update some accesses there, then raise a PR and do that stuff. It will directly give you a more optimized way to develop things. And it will, I would say it's definitely improve around your 4x to 5x of your productivity. Don't need to go and start from scratch. It will do things from scratch, and you just need to make changes on top of it if required. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can let me know in comments. Thank you. Bye.